and it worked. Scientifically effective, environmentally safe, Islamically permissible, and not cruel. It's very humane. The Trap, Neuter, Vaccinate, Release program, it reduces the population of the dogs permanently, and the dogs that are left behind are docile, friendly, they're vaccinated so they don't spread rabies, and they help protect the neighborhoods. So the problem is, if we shoot and poison dogs in certain neighborhoods, that's proven to be scientifically ineffective. And what they do is they shoot and poison them in certain areas, but within a couple months, more dogs just fill in. But if you have a program with the government and NGOs, public-private partnership, to cover all of the dogs, making sure that you fix them so a large percentage don't end up having more unwanted kutas.
बिल्कुल आपने अमेरिका से आए हो
और जहरमाशी कर रहे थे, लेकिन अभी तक ये कुत्तों की पॉपुलेशन को कंट्रोल करने में भी नाकाम हो गए। इसलिए इनको चाहिए कि जल्दी से जल्दी DNPR को